Are you not sure how to check your tire pressure? Confused about your tire tread? Well, hop in and let's make a stop at the workshop. So I know a thing or two about cars, but I could definitely use a hand in checking my tires.
I think I can help you with that.
Hey Mattis!
Hi Thomas! Doing some simple tire checks helps ensure a safe ride for you and your passengers. It also helps to maximize longevity, improve fuel consumption and battery range.
So how often should we check our tires?
You should check them at least once a month and before you head out on a long trip.
Alright, well picture this. Your bags are in the trunk, your out of office is on, but don't put your foot on the pedal just yet. You've got to check your tires before.
And don't worry, it only takes a few minutes.
You've got 5 minutes to show us how to check your tires. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Okay, pit stoppers, I need some assistance please. 3, 2, 1, and away we go. First up, tire pressure.
Start off by checking the recommended tire pressure, even if your car is equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, because a properly inflated tire is safer, friendly on your wallet and on the environment.
And we can check that in the owner's manual, right?
Yep, alternatively you can find it in the driver's door jamb or on the back of the gas tank door. And remember, the recommended tire pressure is for cold tires.
And when you say cold tires, how do we know they're cold?
When your vehicle has been parked overnight or stationary for a few hours. If you don't have one at home, you can get your hands on a tire pressure gauge at a gas station or auto parts store. Start by placing the nozzle into the valve of your tire. It's normal to hear some hissing. Once it's connected, the gauge will display the internal pressure. You should check the pressure on all 4 tires plus your spare tire, which is often forgotten about.
And what happens if your tires are underinflated or overinflated?
When they are underinflated, it means they are at risk of excessive and fast wear and can increase your fuel consumption due to more wearing resistance. Similarly, overinflated tires lead to an excessive wear and an uncomfortable drive, plus can run the risk of accidental damage.
Step 2. Time to check for tire wear, because good tread means good grip.
What's more, you must meet the legal requirement. Most countries' minimum tread depth is 1.6 mm, but double check with a tire seller if you're unsure.
So what's the best way to check the tire tread on my tires?
Well, Michelin tires have built-in tread wear indicators. You see the little Michelin line on the sidewall there? Well, that shows you where to find indicators. You will find them around the whole tire circumference in the tire tread design. If the tire tread is the same height as the indicators, then it's time to change your tires. You can always get your hands on a tire tread depth gauge, which we will link in the video description.
Okay, got it. And what should I do in case of uneven wear on my tires?
Great question. It could be due to underinflation, overinflation, or even damage to the vehicle. You should seek professional advice if that's the case. What am I doing for time pit stoppers?
Step 3. Time to check for damage on your tires.
Make sure you check each tire, including the sidewalls, for any visible penetration, cut or deformation. If you detect any foreign object that cut or pierced the tire, this has to be checked by a professional.
Got it. And last question, how can I check how old my tires are?
You just need to check the DOT number on the tire sidewall. Check out our video on how to read a tire for more info. And that's it!
And time's up! Challenge complete!
Thank you, Thomas. See you around.
If you have any questions about how to check your tires, the comment section is all yours. Now don't forget to subscribe and see you next time at the workshop.